Hello and welcome to this short video showing how we will move Accounting 102 online due to the UMW move classes online because of the COVID-19 coronavirus. Okay, so before I even want to go to this, I just want to encourage everybody to make sure you stay healthy and get plenty of rest, eat right, wash your hands. Okay, that's the dad in me coming out. Anyways, I'm looking at Canvas right now, so I just want to go over Canvas first and make sure that you know where to find the lecture videos, and also go over a document that I'm going to post up on Canvas showing, just kind of summarizing how we're going to do the course online. Now, according to the UMW email that came out, that we will have classes online through April 3rd. This implies to me that we will resume on Monday, April 6th. However, I would say that is probably tentative in my opinion. So if the online format is extended, and that's a big if, we will tackle that as we get closer to that date, okay? So for now, this video is basically through April 3rd, okay? So just kind of looking at Canvas, remember everything that you need to know is under modules. You have your syllabus, your schedule, all that kind of stuff. Everybody should already know that. You do have your course back, and most people already have bought the course back. So just remember that's where the course back is. And then I just wanted to bring up to show you these are where all the lecture videos are. So under modules. So for example, we left off on chapter, I believe we were going to resume on chapter 20. So if you just come over here and you click chapter 20 like this, you download chapter 20, and then we just enable editing. I'll come over here and I'll copy this and I'll paste it into my browser. Now I do recommend using Chrome or Firefox. I mean, I'm sure other browsers work. I just know it works there. Okay, so then this brings up the lecture video, and you can go ahead and follow along, which covers process costing just like you would in class. And so this is a picture of me with the document camera, and it's me going over the chapter 20 notes, and you can just follow along in your course back with each chapter as you see fit, okay, as we would do in class. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and close out of that. So that's where all the lecture videos are. They're all located right over here. Okay, and again, as we went through back in the beginning of the semester, here's an additional problem for chapter 20. You can look at the problem, look at the solution. An additional problem, these are some answers to some additional problems that are in the chapter 21 notes, chapter 22 notes, chapter 23 notes, some answers to those problems that I have. Also chapter 25. Now your book has split chapter 25 in its new edition into chapter 25 and chapter 26. I just have everything listed under chapter 25, so I've just combined them, and that's how it's combined in the course back. But keep in mind that your book has split that up. All right. I think everything else we've pretty much gone over, so let me go ahead and bring up this document. Now this document I'm going to post up on Canvas, and this kind of summarizes the approach that I have to moving Accounting 102 online due to COVID-19. All right, so I have my introduction right over here, and then I talk about the primary teaching method, which will be lecture videos posted on Canvas. And again, I'm going to reiterate this, I can't overemphasize the importance of staying on schedule. Okay, please watch these videos in a timely manner. Okay, I'll be available at 11 on Tuesday and Thursday for a Canvas conference meeting. This is the conferences section of the Canvas menu. Okay, I'll do that to facilitate online course meetings. There'll be a live synchronous online course meeting using the conferences feature in Canvas. I'll record these meetings as well. This gives me a chance to reiterate important course announcements and to answer any questions that you might have covering the lecture material or any homework assignments. Attendance at these conferences is encouraged. And also, I just wanted to say that I'll start the conference at 11 a.m. and if nobody shows up after 15 minutes, I will end the conference. For office hours, remember that my office hours are Mondays 5 to 6, Tuesdays 2:15 to 3:30, Wednesday 12:30 to 3. I will not be in the office. However, I will be available via text, phone, or email during these regular scheduled times. But I'll keep in mind that we will have our online meetings at 11 a.m. on Tuesday and Thursday, which is our normal scheduled course time. And again, I encourage your attendance here, but I don't have a set schedule for this. It's more you have watched the lecture videos, you're asking me questions about the homework or the lecture videos for clarification, okay? I'm not teaching during that time. The lecture videos are for the teaching. I'm answering questions during that time. We do have an exam that's supposed to be on Monday, 3/16 through, our exam is going to be on Tuesday, April 7th. Again, UMW, we may be open on Monday, April 6th. I guess we're going to have to see. It seems to be what we're aiming for. So we will have this exam in class on Tuesday, April 7th, unless we extend the online format. If we extend the online format, then your exam 2 will be online. I will post exam review materials, as I've always done in the past, about 1 week before the exam, and I'll say which chapters it covers, okay? I would plan on through about chapter 21, most likely, is what we're going to be covering. So your other exam ended through chapter 17, so plan on chapters 18, 19, 20, and 21 for exam 2. That's most likely that's the most likely scenario, okay? We also have announcements, and I'll use a section of the Canvas menu for communicating any important course updates. Grades, if we continue to use the online format past April 3rd, and again, I'm just planning for that. I don't know if that's going to happen. It's just a plan. If that does happen and we have our exam online on Tuesday, April 7th, it will be that exam, if it's online, will be during your regularly scheduled course time, 11 to 12:15 on Tuesday, April 7th. But obviously, I won't be able to hand the exams back to you with your grade. So in that case, I will use the grades function in Canvas to record your grade. In terms of accessing the conferences on Canvas, and again, here's several videos showing you how to access the conferences feature on Canvas. And again, I will be available at 11 a.m. Tuesday, Thursday for a Canvas conference call, and I will use the conferences feature to facilitate the online course meetings. And as I said below, and then this video that I'm recording right now, I will include a link to that right down here, and I'll post this document up on Canvas. Okay, I hope that helps, and again, stay healthy, and we'll be in touch on our conferences call. Our first one will be on Tuesday the 17th, okay, on Tuesday the 17th at 11 a.m. Okay, thanks so much, and please let me know if you have any questions. Take care.